Hey there, fellow tan enthusiasts. Are you tired of looking pale and washed out during the winter months? Do you dream of having that sun-kissed glow all year round? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of indoor tanning lotions. I've spent months testing out various products to bring you the ultimate guide to achieving that perfect bronze without stepping foot outside. So, grab your tanning mitts and let's get started with our countdown of the top 6 indoor tanning lotions. 6. St.Tropez Self-Tan Classic Bronzer Mousse Foam. This product has been a staple in the tanning community for years, and for good reason. The lightweight mousse formula glides effortlessly onto the skin, making application a breeze. I found that using a tanning mitt helped distribute the product evenly and prevented any streaking. One of the standout features of this mousse is its quick drying formula. Within minutes of application, I was able to get dressed without worrying about transfer onto my clothes. The color guide technology also ensures that you don't miss any spots during application, which is a huge plus for those of us who are prone to patchiness. The St.Tropez mousse develops over 4-8 hours, and I was impressed with the natural-looking color it produced. It wasn't too orange or muddy, but rather a believable golden brown that lasted for about a week with proper maintenance. The scent is also quite pleasant, with none of that typical self-tanner smell that can be off-putting. However, I did notice that this product can be a bit drying on the skin, especially if you have naturally dry or sensitive skin. I found that using a moisturizer before application helped combat this issue. Additionally, the price point is on the higher end, which might be a deterrent for some budget-conscious tanners. 5. L'Oréal Paris Sublime Bronze Self-Tanning Water Mousse. This drugstore option surprised me with its performance, proving that you don't always need to break the bank for a good tan. The water-based mousse formula is incredibly lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. One of the things I loved about this product was how hydrating it felt on my skin. Unlike some self-tanners that can leave your skin feeling dry and tight, the L'Oréal mousse left my skin feeling soft and moisturized. The coconut water and vitamin E in the formula definitely contribute to this hydrating effect. The color development with this product is gradual, which can be both a pro and a con depending on your preferences. I found that it took about 2-3 applications to achieve my desired level of tan, but the result was very natural looking and streak-free. The scent is also quite pleasant, with a tropical coconut fragrance that doesn't overpower. One thing to note is that the L'Oréal mousse doesn't have a color guide, which can make it a bit tricky to ensure even application. I recommend applying it in a well-lit room and taking your time to make sure you've covered all areas. Additionally, while the color is buildable, it may not get as dark as some other products on this list, so it might not be the best choice for those looking for a deep, intense tan. 4. B.tan Violet Self-Tanner. This product caught my eye with its unique violet base, which promises to counteract any orange tones and deliver a more natural-looking tan. I was intrigued by this concept and eager to put it to the test. Upon application, I was immediately impressed by the smooth, creamy texture of the lotion. It spread easily and evenly across my skin, and the violet tint made it easy to see where I had already applied the product. This feature was particularly helpful in ensuring I didn't miss any spots or over-apply in certain areas. The B.tan Violet Self-Tanner develops relatively quickly, with noticeable results appearing within 2-4 hours. I found that the color continued to deepen over the next 24 hours, resulting in a rich, deep tan that looked incredibly natural. True to its claims, there was no hint of orange in sight, just a beautiful, olive-toned bronze. One of the standout features of this product is its longevity. My tan lasted a solid 7-10 days before starting to fade, which is impressive compared to many other self-tanners I've tried. The fade was also very even, with no patchiness or weird discoloration as it wore off. However, it's worth noting that the scent of this product is quite strong during the development process. While it's not unpleasant, it might be a bit overwhelming for those sensitive to fragrances. Additionally, I found that the product could be a bit drying on my skin, so I made sure to moisturize well in the days following application. 3. Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner. This product stands out for its commitment to natural, organic ingredients, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking to avoid harsh chemicals in their beauty routine. The first thing I noticed about this self-tanner was its thick, creamy consistency. It felt more like a luxurious body lotion than a typical tanning product. The formula is packed with nourishing ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and aloe vera, which left my skin feeling incredibly soft and hydrated. Application was a breeze, thanks to the rich texture that allowed for easy blending. However, I did find that it took a bit longer to absorb compared to some of the lighter, mousse-based products on this list. Patience is key here. I recommend allowing at least 15-20 minutes for the product to fully dry before getting dressed. The color development with the Beauty by Earth self-tanner is gradual and subtle. I noticed a light, sun-kissed glow after the first application, which deepened over the next 24-48 hours. While it may not provide the most dramatic results for those seeking a deep, dark tan, it's perfect for achieving a natural, just back from vacation, look. The only downside I found with this product is that it may require multiple applications to achieve a deeper tan. However, given its natural ingredients and skin-nourishing benefits, I didn't mind the extra effort. It's a small price to pay for a product that not only tans but also improves the overall health and appearance of your skin. 2. Jergens Natural Glow Plus Firming Self-Tanner Body Lotion. This product has been a staple in the drugstore self-tanning world for years, and it's easy to see why it remains so popular. What sets this self-tanner apart is its dual-action formula. Not only does it provide a gradual, natural-looking tan, but it also contains ingredients that help firm and tighten the skin. As someone who's always looking for multitasking beauty products, I was excited to put this to the test. The lotion itself has a lightweight, non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. I found it easy to apply evenly, and there was no need for a tanning mitt. The subtle, fresh scent is pleasant and doesn't have that typical self-tanner smell, which is always a bonus. In terms of color development, the Jergens Natural Glow lives up to its name. The tan builds gradually over several days, resulting in a very natural-looking glow. I noticed a subtle difference after the first application, with the color deepening over the next 3-4 days of daily use. This gradual approach makes it nearly foolproof. There's little risk of ending up with streaks or an overly dark, unnatural-looking tan. The firming aspect of this product was a pleasant surprise. After about a week of consistent use, I noticed that my skin felt smoother and looked more toned, particularly in areas prone to cellulite. While it's not a miracle worker, the added skincare benefits definitely make this self-tanner stand out from the crowd. One potential drawback is that this product may not get dark enough for those seeking a deep, intense tan. 1. Skinny Tan Body Glow Gradual Tan Lotion. And now, drumroll please. Our number one pick for the best indoor tanning lotion is the Skinny Tan Body Glow Gradual Tan Lotion. This product truly impressed me with its performance, versatility, and overall results. From the moment I opened the bottle, I was struck by the delightful scent, a blend of coconut and vanilla that instantly transported me to a tropical beach. Unlike many self-tanners that try to mask the DHA smell with overpowering fragrances, this one actually smells good enough to wear as a daily moisturizer. The lotion itself has a rich, creamy texture that glides smoothly onto the skin. It absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky or greasy residue, making it perfect for daily use. I found that I could apply it in the morning and get dressed almost immediately without worrying about transfer onto my clothes. What really sets the Skinny Tan Body Glow apart is its gradual tanning approach combined with instant bronzing effects. The lotion contains a subtle bronzer that provides an immediate glow, while the self-tanning ingredients work to develop a deeper, longer-lasting tan over time. This dual-action formula means you get the best of both worlds, instant gratification and long-term results. I was impressed by how natural and even the tan looked after just a few days of use. The color builds gradually, allowing for complete control over the intensity of your tan. I found that applying it daily for about 3-4 days gave me the perfect sun-kissed glow, but you can easily adjust based on your preferences. The longevity of the tan is also worth mentioning. Even after stopping daily application, my tan lasted for a good 7-10 days before starting to fade. And when it did fade, it did so evenly without any patchiness or strange discoloration. Final thought. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive guide to the best indoor tanning lotions on the market. Whether you're a self-tanning novice or a bronzing pro, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, the key to a great self-tan is preparation and consistency, so don't forget to exfoliate and moisturize regularly for the best results. I hope this video has been helpful in your quest for the perfect faux glow. If you've tried any of these products or have your own favorites, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay golden.